Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, as you see behind us, this is our new project truck. This is our 1991 OBS Chevrolet 1500. It's the two-wheel drive, regular cab short bed, which exactly is what we were looking for. Now, what we're going to be showing you on today's video is I've got a set of wheels that I've ordered for this truck, and we're just going to be talking about before you put a lowering system on this truck. The 5.7 is what we're preferably wanting to do on this one right here. I'm going to show you we're going to use these modern, just standard tools that you can find in any garage. We're going to jack it up, take the wheel off, and we're going to do wheel fitment on the new wheels that we've ordered to make sure we don't have any clearance issues before we decide exactly how low we want this truck to sit. Because now, right now would be a good time while you got that wheel off to take them drums off, see if they need replacing or if the brakes need replacing as well. These are the US mags. This is a 20 by 10.5. This will be what we are going to use for the rear of this truck. We're going to use 20 by 9.5 on the front. These right here, they're real nice wheels. I think they'll look nice on the truck, so let's just go ahead and set them on and see how they fit. Well, alright, we have our wheel on our truck. Now we need to check fitment with clearance to make sure that the 5.7 drop kit, which is what we were wanting to use on this truck, is going to be perfect with this wide of a wheel for the back. Now, of course, you can do an 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, or 10 and not have any issues with the top rubbing your tire. But on this application, this is an extra wide wheel. So I use this piece of wood. I've cut the edge to an angle so that I can set this flush with my wheel. Once you've slid it all the way up to the top, you can see where it makes contact with your bed panel. That right there is how you exactly know where the outside edge of your wheel will hit if you hit a massive bump, or depending on how low you make the suspension. Now I can tell already with sitting this up here, rubbing it around, it's going to be exactly centered. So there's a 1/2 inch overhang that I know is going to have to go somewhere. So I'm going to have to roll this bed lip to make sure I have no issues with rubbing against my tire or the rim with that 5.7 drop kit. But always make sure your wheels fit before you order your kit. But until next time, guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends, because we're going to be making this truck one cool street rod. So go ahead, let me know in the comment section, is there anything that you think would make this truck cool, or anything I should add to this truck that may make it look a lot better, because this is the first General Motors Chevrolet truck that I've actually purchased to do this video for the channel. Now, the sole video of this truck is strictly to help y'all guys out if you're deciding to build one of these OBS Chevys. So thanks for watching. Hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, guys, next time you're going to see that drop kit we ordered, and we're going to see us install it on this Chevrolet.